Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, this is your test paper. Children, you can see your test. Hello? Lakshita hasn't joined yet. Neha,
Yes, ma'am.
this is your test paper. Better you can see your mark. You must have got your marks on the WhatsApp group also.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see your paper here. Your marks are 26 out of 30. And where you have gone wrong is find the value of minus 18 minus of 9. What were you supposed to do in this question?
Ma'am, we have to
Let me just check what is. Okay, this was absolute value. This was absolute value, beta. Absolute value means I told you like this, no? Between the two sticks, if you put any number inside this, it will come out positive. Okay, so it was like this. The question was, she has written the question, Lakshita. Mod of minus 18 minus mod of minus 9. Minus mod of minus 9. It was like this. So that means if this is inside the mod sign, then this will come out positive, right? And we have a negative sign here. Then again minus 9 is inside the mod. So that means this will also come positive. So now you have 18 minus 9, which is equal to 9. Okay.
yes,
Mod is nothing actually. It is the distance of the number from the point 0. Okay. It is distance of the number from the point 0. If it is minus 9, that means minus 9 is somewhere towards the left side. So it is just the distance of that number from the point 0. So distance is always positive. Okay. Distance cannot be negative, no? Same way we had the other one. This was mod of, let me just check the question. Mod of minus 4 plus mod of minus 8. This is mod of minus 4 plus mod of minus 8. So here also inside the mod number will come out positive. Inside the mod number will come positive, and there is a positive sign in between. So that gives you 12. So your answer went wrong because you have written minus sign here. Minus 12 here. Okay.
Okay,
So this was actually mod. This was not any bracket. Okay. Now here also in this question you can see this is, you have written plus here, and here this is actually minus, because when you have two minus sign, then only you add the numbers and put a number sign of the greater number. So this was a minus sign here. Although your answer is correct, but you had just put minus sign here. So I have not deducted any marks here. Okay.
yes,
And here also it was actually plus. I don't know why you wrote minus here, but then you have done it correct. So here I did not cancel any marks. Okay. Now next thing is that here also I could not cut any marks because you have done correctly, but only thing is that you should take, first you should always add the positive numbers. Okay, since 47 is a positive number, 37 is a positive number. From where did you get 47? From by adding 34 and 13.
yes,
Okay, I have put a arrow here, no? Arrow this and arrow this. 34 plus 13. So this was 47. So when you add, you should add both the positive numbers first, all the positive numbers first. 47 plus 37 is 84. Then you must subtract. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
So you must add the positive numbers first, and one side you must add all the negative numbers, and then you must take them together. So that's 28.
Okay.
So it's just by chance that you have got the correct answer here. And the approach is also not that wrong, but still you needed some corrections here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So please follow this. Okay, and in this question, the two numbers, sum of two numbers is given. One number is given, you have to find the other number. Okay. So other number was, see now, one number is given here, another number is A. And sum of these two numbers is minus 30. So when you take this number on the other side, it becomes minus. And so you get minus 38 minus 240, that's minus 278.
Okay.
Okay? So you have done it here. Okay, the last property is all correct. Only thing is the name of the property is associative property. Okay, it's not communicative, it's associative. And the word is not communicative, it's commutative. Okay, but we haven't done properties in this as such. Okay. And so the property, name of the property was not asked in the question.
Oh,
Okay, Bhavesh, now see yours. Bhavesh, yours is 25 out of 30. See all your questions. Bhavesh, please send me PDF form. Okay? You always send me JPEG form. Don't send me the image, send me in PDF form. Okay, Bhavesh? Every time you send me like that. See, the first question is correct, got 4 marks. Second is also correct. So this is here, when this was mod, inside the mod number will come out positive. Okay,
I
Bhavesh?
forgot to write +9.
But your answer is correct. It's only thing you have written it negative. Here also, okay, no, here it's correct. Okay. Then rest it's all correct.
Only that. Only that.
1 second. See here, in this question, there was a mistake here. This sign was plus sign. Okay, the in between sign is actually plus. You have written it minus. So because of that, it went wrong. Okay.
I didn't write the full process. That's just operation.
Okay, you have noted down the question wrong. It was plus here because if you do no plus into minus, then it would have been a minus sign here, and you could have subtracted. Then your answer would have been minus 339 something, whatever. Okay, but you have copied down wrong from the question. Instead of plus, you wrote minus, and then minus and minus became plus, and your answer went wrong. Okay. Okay, so this question is, okay, this is correct. This is all correct. Why is this 124? Okay, no. It's okay. Both are 123. Okay, beta. Okay, Bhavi.
I can check.
It's correct, beta. It's correct. Last question is correct. So just be careful about positive and negative signs. Okay, Bhavish, got it? Okay. So we'll do more sums now. Just a second, I'm picking out.
Ma'am, should I do this in my notebook? Ma'am? Ma'am, should I do
Sorry,
this
I was
question?
on mute. Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, should I do these questions in my notebook?
What happened? Are these questions given to you?
Ma'am, should I do this in my notebook?
I'm not getting you. What are you saying, beta?
Ma'am, should I do these sums in the notebook?
Yes, yes. Do it in your notebook.
Okay.
Both of you must do, then I'll ask each one of you the answers, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not understanding the third one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding the third one.
Okay. No problem, beta. Write down, note down the questions and start doing also. Have you noted down the questions?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm writing down the fifth one.
Okay. Okay, do beta. I want to write more questions.
Ma'am, why is there zero in the answer place of seventh question?
Where beta? Which question?
Ma'am, in the seventh question, the answer is written as zero.
In the seventh question, answer. Oh, this is just my mistake. This is not the answer. So this for this coming Sunday also, I've given you integers chapter. Okay, we have objective test this time. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
And once this test is over, objective test is over, then we'll move to next chapter. Because we had now 3 tests on this topic, no?
Ma'am, two.
2. Before this we have 2, and now this coming Sunday will be the third test on this, no?
No, ma'am, the coming Sunday will be the second test.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the coming Sunday test will be the second of the interval.
The coming Sunday test will be the second.
Yes.
Didn't we have any objective test before on this?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
we add on whole numbers.
okay. Now next question is to find the additive inverse. What is additive inverse? We add with the inverse of this. Inverse means opposite of that. Adding with the opposite of the number. So
Yes.
if the number is 14, then what will be the additive inverse?
Minus 14.
Minus 14. Great. Please write down this so that I can scroll up.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Bhavesh, written this much?
Ma'am,
Done this much, beta?
until where?
Have you done these questions so that I can scroll it up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then do the additive inverse question. Now see in this question, look here, children. Now in this question, I'll show you here. Let me show you question number 3, okay? This question. Please listen. If you get this type of question anywhere in the test, homework, or anywhere in your school, then what you should do is, first thing is that you should first solve the inside bracket part. Okay? So this is the first bracket. We call this as the first bracket. This round shaped bracket. Then this curly shaped bracket is called the second bracket. All right? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
The square shaped bracket is called the third bracket. So this is the first bracket, which is in the innermost, like this, round shape. The curly shape is second bracket. The square shape is the third bracket. So we have two brackets here, round shape bracket and curly brackets, right? So whatever we have inside the bracket was the innermost bracket. We should solve that first. Now here you can see the numbers with positive also, negative also, divide sign also. So what you must do first, do you remember Bodmer's rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember? Everyone remembers that? So Bodmer's is what? First is B is for bracket. Okay, we are doing the bracket part. Then you have divide first. First you will divide. Okay, 6 divided by 3. So let's write the remaining numbers as it is. Okay, 6 plus 2 minus. Now 6 divided by 3 will be 2. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and we have the bracket closed here. Now you see, now again we'll solve the bracket part. What is inside the 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, let's see the addition part first. Okay, because we are following the Bodmer's rule. So let's see the addition part. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Then you have 12 minus 16 minus 6 is 10. Then you have 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand this? Let's do one more of this type. Okay, this fifth part.
Ma'am, I actually need to copy the questions.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I need to copy the questions.
You need to solve the bracket inside bracket part first. I'll give you more questions of this type for your homework. Okay, so this is 19 plus inside the curly bracket you have 10 divided by, what was the question? 19 plus 10 divided by 7 minus 9.
Ma'am, I need to copy the questions.
I'm not getting you, Bichu. Your volume is low.
Ma'am, I need to copy the questions.
Need to copy the questions. Okay, okay. So, just a second. Time is getting over. Let me just explain you this. 10 divide. I'll give you time to copy. So
Okay.
10 divided by 7. First you will solve the inside bracket part. So that will be 7 minus 9 will be minus 2. Okay. So now that is 10 divided by minus 2. So when you divide 10 by 2, that becomes 5. Okay.
Okay.
And minus sign also. So that will be minus 5. Then what do you have? Plus into minus becomes minus. When you have two different signs together, you subtract. Then 19 minus 5 will be 14. This will be your answer. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you more questions on this. Okay, copy down, yes. Copy down the questions. Yes, quickly copy down. Just few minutes are left for the class. I'll give you similar questions for homework. And when you have so many signs inside the bracket, no plus sign, minus sign, divide. So they you must follow the Bodmer's rule. Yes, Bhavesh, have you understood these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, beta. And if you have any doubts, please ask. Note down the questions so that you can continue. Okay. So finish these questions, then only get up from your seat. Even if the class gets over. Okay, children?
Ma'am, done copying.
Okay. So keep doing the questions. Okay. Bhavesh noted down the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So please carry on with your work. Keep doing the questions. Class time is over. I'm winding up now, but you please complete the questions before you get up from your seat. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Haan. Chalo. Okay, beta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, beta. You too. बाय बच्चे.